Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 29th, 2025. We're diving into the QQQ, analyzing the latest news and price action. According to recent news, S&P 500 futures are trading sideways after a 5-day winning streak. Rising global trade tensions, particularly President Trump's tariffs, are causing some companies to reconsider their full-year forecasts. However, overall, analysts suggest pullbacks are viable, indicating the bulls are in control. We also see the Nasdaq is working to modernize capital market operations with Amazon Web Services, which has major long-term implications. News has come out suggesting insiders have been selling more than buying. Let's now move on to the charts and see what they're telling us. Looking at the daily chart for QQQ, we can see the recent volatility, particularly the large swings in early April 2025. The first several weeks of April were bearish before recovering into the current levels. After consolidating around the 472 level in the late weeks of April, we saw a large gap down. Let's switch over to the hourly chart to gain some more insight. Looking at the hourly chart, we can see consolidation around 472 in the late hours of April 28th. We see that before market open today, QQQ traded as low as 466 before recovering a bit. There is strong support in the 466 range. We can see a strong resistance around 473. Now let's move to the 15-minute chart. Zooming into the 15-minute chart, we can see the price action of QQQ leading into today's market open. QQQ has broken the resistance at 472, showing some bullish potential. However, be cautious as we can see large swings, suggesting volatility. The 15-minute chart may be the best resolution to perform trades, and you can see how these trades would have played out. With the current news of trade tensions and heavyweight tech earnings this week, significant price swings are possible. So, what are the key levels to watch? I'd look at 466 and 473. A break above 473 could signal further upside, possibly testing higher resistance levels around 475, but a break below 466 could trigger a further sell-off. Given the uncertainty surrounding the tariff policies and potential for trading halts, maintaining a close watch on the news and the level 466 for the support is crucial. For a bullish scenario, look for a sustained break above 473 with strong volume. If there is a positive report on big tech earnings this week, we could see this scenario play out. The stock forecast website I read expects the price to fall another 14% over the next 3 months if it can't break through the 473 resistance level, with the recommendation to set a stop loss at 473.02. Be aware of possible trading halts which tend to occur before big news releases. Ultimately, trading decisions should align with your own risk tolerance and investment strategy, and you should consult with financial professionals.